Namaste. My name's Steward Cheong. I'm a Malaysian Chinese. Regarding IDAF, so it's International Drone Aviation Federation. So on my right is my Vice President, Joseph, and on my left is Zerari. They are the Vice President of International Drone Aviation Federation. So this time we come to Nepal because our second time to Nepal to Lumbini Buddhist University, Lumbini, for our cooperation. We are still new. We are very new because we are a lot of people, when they have federation or association, they just do their own benefit or selling their own product. IDF is totally different. We willing to cooperate with different associations, different organizations to make everybody to have another platform to go further. So we are not comparing, or we are not pushing away anyone who want to join us. Whoever want to join us, welcome, and we will try our best to, as a platform, to give them a future development. So this is our way. We are not forming a federation to stand by our own body to show how great we are. No, our platform is to help. So everybody is welcome. This project actually, we are the federations. We are the one who proposed to Lumbini Buddhist University for the corporations. So the first time we introduced our IDF, how can we work together with the university. So this time, after 2 months, we come here to sign an MOU for the future corporations. How can we contribute to Lumbini Buddhist University? Okay, for IDAF, International Drone Aviation, we are not only doing for the people in Lumbini. Okay, this is because Lumbini's Buddhist University is considered a country university, one of the country university. So what we do is we try to get whole world people. So for those people who are interested on drones, because drones, you can there's many ways. Future in the future, there's many jobs they can do. So the Lumbini Buddhist University got a good start. Professor Kumar was going ahead on all these projects, so we feel that we can cooperate with them. So internationally, not only people in Lumbini, but the people around the world. So it's all in English version. So this thing will be help those people who graduate here. They can use the certificate, go around the world to have the good job. So for IDF role, we are not only going on study, we are doing a lot of events. For example, we have sports, then we have school, we have technical school, all these things. And for the job, like agriculture, ambulance, fire engine, this is our creation for future. So by working together with the university, I think this University of Lumbini, so this will be a great future. Like what we see now, a lot of people mistaking drone is they're going for war. Actually, no. Drone, it can go many things. There's a sports events. Now it's very famous about drones, football. Then for the agriculture side, they can use spraying the fertilizer for in a very good way. And some more, because in Nepal here, we are trying to get something where ambulance, that means one place to another place by from the clinics to hospital. So there's a mark because as you know, Nepal, a lot of roads is in a valley, in hilly, so this is what we plan. The drone can fly by taking short hour to save a person life in drone. We already have all this design, but then now the further futures cooperation, this is what we're gonna do. We start in Nepal, Lumbini. Of course, to fly a drone, normally they got to get an airline, so we have to get permission from the aviation's side. So that's why through this, we hope the government can give us full support for all these activities. Without the government support, we can't do anything. So through this, our federation events, all these things to show the correct way of using, we're not going to misuse. So hopefully the government will give us 100% support on this. No. This project actually we are looking forward and working hard together with Lumbini Buddhist University. Yeah, because Lumbini Buddhist University, the professor is very aggressive, and they want to start this event. So I think we also would like to help the university who really serious about all this matter. So, well, to the world people, to the people on Nepal, what we think, everybody, I think everybody know drone will be the futures jobs, futures future for everyone. Yeah. This project in Lumbini, because I having another project in Lumbini, which the world tallest Buddha in Kapilvis too. That's why I'm bringing more and more project to Lumbini, because I'm involved in one of the Buddha project to build the statue of Buddha, 268 meter tall. It will be the world #1 statue tall, and if I'm not mistaken, it will go Guinness Book of Record. So this project, since I already involved in Lumbini and to help over there, but I find out Lumbini is a good place because the land is flat. Okay, they have no earthquake, nothing. So Lumbini, the land is flat. They can develop a lot of things. Flat lands, the costing of development is cheap. So this is one of the reasons. And I'm doing this Buddha project, so I will get more people to come Lumbini, because I feel Lumbini is a good place, very good place to develop. Yeah, the master plan, we have the master plan, and now I'm waiting to organize a world event for the earth breaking. So I'm still waiting for the government to give me green light to have organize a world event to invite most of the world monks come together to witness the land and earth breaking. Then it will be this project will be started. So the statue of Lord Buddha is manufacturing in China, Nanjing. The factory's name Hangtian Chenguang. So this factory is one of the factory in the world. He's doing most of the tallest Buddha, tallest statue for God. Even the Indian statue he's doing in China. So we try to organize a world event, and with his support on this statue of Buddha. So the total Buddha using copper is about 10,000 tons of copper. So a lot of things. That's why we are now looking forward with the government support to succeed this program as soon as possible, because it's been delayed for some time. It's already 2 years, and we are ready. we are ready, and now it's just on Nepal side. With Grievous green light, then this project will moving on. The funding, people in the world, they are very great, and a lot of funding now. They don't. We have a funding on direct to the factories, because we need to the factory who manufacture the Buddha statue. We need to pay them. So some of the funding direct I bank into ask the people direct bank into the factories. So the factories in China, this factory is under government, Nanjing government factories. That's why it's very genuine. So we are very careful about the development money. So because we're going to do for Lord Buddha project. The funding will come from Buddhism or non-Buddhism. We are welcome, and we don't know. Some of them they just bang in. They won't tell us a name, because maybe they're on their heart. Because as you know, the religion believes some of them they rather not to put their name. They just want to sharing their donation. Actually, the whole Holy Land is quite huge, but when my first day, the tall of Buddha, actually is the 260 meter. It doesn't come from myself. Is why I start this project, because when I come to Nepal, Lord Buddha come to my dreams. So these are the figure, 268 meter tall. He's the one who gave me. He gave me two figure, 245 and 268. At the beginning, I was not sure why there's two figure. Then lastly, when the design come out, then I know on top of 23 meters is a hall below the lotus. Above the lotus, 245 is the one Lord Buddha was standing with the lotus. So total 268. So all this figure is given in my dream. Even the design now is also 4 years ago when I'm in German in a monastery. He asked me to change all the design by telling the story. So actually, he want me to stand up the statue in 2030. That's why I'm want to be hurry by 2030 to stand up the statue. I don't know why, but then when I asked someone, they said 2030 is a good year for Buddhist something there. All figures what I done, he will come to my dream and tell me what to do. It's very funny. We have until now. I still have 5 years. That's why we hope the authorities here to cooperate, give me a green light, so that we can start very soon. For the people of Lumbini and for the people of Nepal, it's my individual hope, because Lord Buddha was born in Nepal. So it's a good thing where the Buddha statue and this thing, the whole country can help to make it success. For my own thinking, so the world Buddhism, they have place to know where is Lord Buddha was born, and this thing will become. Then after that, if this Holy Garden success, I think for the people of Nepal, will be very busy. The whole world people will come. So we hope that we are looking forward to success this program. IDAF project, you mean the what? I'm going to.
Difficulties may come to you.
Oh, of course, the difficulty, of course, first thing, like what you say, the airway. So every airway you have to go through apply from the government. Second, because a lot of people are too intelligent for using the drones to misuse as weapon. So this is also one of the difficult way to promote. Actually, the drones project is good, but then they are doing for some sort of like weapons, so it become another difficult way to block us to promote. So other than that, we don't have any problem on developing. Like we're talking about sports, everything is good. Only these are two things where we are a little bit sensitive. But I hope this is what we believe. It will settle very soon, because in future market, the drone will be on top of the delivery products, everything on top of the market. So I believe all the authorities person, they will come up with a good idea to support. Yeah. As for me, last, I'd like to say the first thank you for the Nepal governments to give all the ways giving us support by the projects going on. Although some delays, but still we need to thank them to give opportunity to develop. So we hope that whatever things, we hope that Nepal people to success especially the Lord Buddha project, because it can be this project, it can be like a Mecca. People go, most of the Muslim people go Mecca. So world Buddhism will come here. So Nepal will be very rich, for just only on tourism, on Buddhism, because Buddha was born here. Why don't we do something for Buddha? For for Buddhism or non-Buddhism or visitor, they can come, right? So for everything, Nepal is a good country. What I feel that there's a lot of the developments it can be done here. So you have two things given by the God. I think one is a Mount Himalaya, and another one is Buddha was born here. Two things given by God. Hopefully, by these two, the whole Nepal can change a lot and developing well. Last, I have nothing to say, because I came Nepal for to do some project. I feel Nepal is good. Nothing to say. Only thing, just happy to looking forward to developing well.